rock and go kart video. Me and my dad were cleaning up my garage today. It's much cleaner now. And we found a belt. And I asked my parents yesterday if they had any old belts that I could have. And we found one in the garage. So, what you gotta do is you gotta grab 2 belts. I only have one on right now. You gotta grab 2 belts, preferably with an end like this. This would be the best kind. And like a leather belt, like this one is really good for doing this, because it's got the braiding right through the belt, and it's leather. It's all leather, and it has this clip on it. You want this kind of clip on it, so that when you crash, it won't let go. It'll just tug on the leather real hard. So, and I only have the shoulder strap one today. I'm going to put a waist belt. I don't have no belt right now though. I'm gonna have a belt around here, over to the same spot that one's tied down, and then it'll be tied. So it's basically like a car seat belt. So it'll be nice and safe. I'm just gonna show you what it is. Oh, and where I mounted this, I just mounted it beside the seat, right here. A little bolt there. You gotta use a knife. You can't use a drill. The drill will just spin up and spin the belt around and up on top of your seat, so that it can come down, up around your shoulder and go down. Okay, and now I just gotta tighten this bolt up because it's getting really loose already. So you just tighten up your bolts by hand. You can do it by wrench too. Do it up by hand. Tighten your bolts by hand like this. And you gotta move your belts out of your way so you can get on the cart. And you get on your cart. Okay, once you're on, you get a shoulder strap. Bring your shoulder strap around your shoulder. Might be a little uncomfortable at first if you're used to your cart without a seatbelt. So now, what you want to do is you want to pull it up through the loop. You want to do it up regularly. You want to do it up fairly tight. Like mine, I got enough space to shrug my shoulder. It's a good thing. You want about that much space. And if you always need to, you can always put more holes in it. And then once I put my waist one on, actually you don't really need a waist one actually, but if you want to, so that like because most of the time when you crash, you're gonna go like this. But if you get hit, but if you slide under, my waist belt won't help with that. You don't need the waist belt, just of your shoulder strap. So, which is perfect for a go-kart. It's nice, lightweight, really strong, and you're not gonna rip the leather. So, that's just kind of like that, just a regular belt. And that's the end of this video.